Welcome back to the channel. It is the episode 61 of building a house in Ghana. And if it's your first time on this channel, my name is Gigo, and I do make videos for motivational purposes and also promoting my builder, I mean. So if you see what you like at the end of the video and you're interested in using my contractor, you are welcome. You can send me an email and I'll forward their number to you. So today's video is going to be about electrical works and then the plumbing works for the decking, which is the third floor. As you can see, they've already set the junctions. So those little white things you see right there are the junctions, which is going to connect the lights from one point to another. So that is what they are busy with now. And this lighting installation is for the second floor. So let's say if I should have gone with the normal roofing, like this would be the electrical works for that floor on the second section. So far the work is going on nice. As you can see, they've joined some of the parts already. And seriously, I must say, building in Ghana is not a joke anymore. It's not fun with the prices going high. It's really crazy. It's really crazy. During these 3 weeks that I started with this decking, the prices are not really stable. So if you want to build in Ghana and you are on a tight budget, please, my advice is, I don't know if you should wait for it to be stabilized a little bit before you build, or you should just do it now. Seriously, because anytime you go to the market, the price changes. So it's better to buy them in bulk, because it is not a joke anymore. It is not fun. Not at all. Not at all. So as you can see, they are joining the junctions now. And you can see the work will come out really nice at the end. And the cost breakdown will also follow when we are done. You guys know I always come with my cost breakdown when I'm done with the work, because during the process we sometimes get short of materials and we have to top up. So I don't want to be going front and back and mix the numbers. So when the electrical work was done, this is the plumbing work that we did. And I must give a shout out to one big man of mine. I know he's been watching this channel from the beginning, because he always, when he sees something wrong, he always gives me a call. He always gives me advice. So when I posted my last video, he made a comment about the washing machine being at the third floor, which sometimes makes a lot of noise, and also the position where I placed it wasn't that really good. So he made that comment, and where I wanted to put my bath also, he also made a comment right there. And he really drew something for me to check it out, in mind, and I did. So as you can see, where I wanted to put the bath, I have 2 taps right there. So that's the drainage, because that is his idea and then my contractor's also idea. So I placed those 2 pipes right there. And I want to be there myself to make the final judgment. He has his own reason why he wanted the bath to be at that position, and I really support his idea. It was a smart move from him. So I want to give him a shout out for contributing to this project. This is why we are here. We are all not perfect, and we all don't have the same eye. So if I put my ideas there and you have a better one, you can always put it down there, and I will discuss it with my contractor. And if he also thinks that is also a good idea, we come together and then we make this project a perfect one. So big man, Anyemi Uradon. So here we are on the staircase. It's the time to fix the electricals for the staircase. It's going to be the lighting, which we have to put it, because it is 3 levels now. So let's say 2 level with a staircase. So we need about 2 types of light, where we can put it on top, and then at the same time put it on at the down, or switch it off at the top and down.
So Bobanyo suya to water. Eko yang mo Bobanyo suya mo. So you know about suya. Because you want light down. You fit light down for the up and light down for the down to the head. We the one way this one talk to go into and switch for the top there. So if you switch them for the down, you see here or we go climb. Never the two of go there. One could day there and one could day there. This is the man who said he won't go to heaven. Maybe the fire inside was sweet, you know. So he said that the fire inside rather go sweet past the heaven. So he don't like heaven. He like the fire inside. Here's the man.
So if you are curious of how this staircase will turn out in the decking, then kindly please do subscribe to the channel, like the video so you don't miss out on the next uploads. And if you do like what you see and you're about to begin with your project, you know, we can take it up for you. You know, this builder, for me, I will recommend him 24/7. He's really good builder. He knows what he's doing. And for the staircase also, we're also building staircase for people on the channel. As for the staircase, it's a lot. Those costs are coming really a lot. The staircase are crazy, and the people that we've done it for, they always recommend people for him. For instance, when we build one staircase for someone and people do see it, because most people are not on YouTube, so when we build it for one person and maybe a friend or a colleague sees it, about 2 or 3 people more come. So for the staircase, it's crazy. It's really going really fast. So if you are interested and you like what you see, you can send me an email and I'll forward this number to you, and then the rest is between the two of you guys. So this is how far the staircase is going. Very nice, and I'm happy at this time you can see this one hanging. So I'm really curious about the outcome after casting. So send me an email if you're interested. I also have other staircases that he did on the channel. You can check in the Community 25 project or the Tama project. And also, I think if you check on the other projects we've done on the channel, the staircase that we've constructed for people hanging, spiral staircase, and any design that you want. So when you're ready, just send me an email and I'll forward this number to you. So when the electrical work was done and also the plumbing done, the next thing was the sideboarding, that is covering all the ends of the iron rods that we've done so that they can pour the concrete on it. So this is the stage that we are. As you can see, we bought some new wood. It's been a while that I bought a wood. For the past, I think, 8 months now, I've been using a wood from one subscriber, you know, who we also built his house for him. And as I always say, when I see wood on site, I'll give him a shout out. Whether they are new woods or old woods, I'll still give him that shout out because it's been an amazing support, you know, for me and for the channel. You know, as you can see, the guys are on it, closing all the edges and building. Oh my god, building is not easy anymore, man. In Ghana, prices, we did a roughly estimate, you know, and I did the decking of the second floor, which was the whole building. You know, I did that decking this year in February before the Ukraine war began. And trust me, just this small portion I'm doing, this small portion decking I'm doing, which I'll say is half of what I did in February, is going to cost me the whole amount that I spent on the ground floor that I did, the second floor that I is even going to spend more than that. So you can imagine the prices of materials that are shooting up. Just this past 3 weeks, it's been crazy. It's been crazy, you know, unstable. I really cry for the normal Ghanaian who wants to build his dream house, because the city is crashing, man. The city is crashing. So can imagine buying a bag of cement for 80 to 90. One bag is costing 80 to 90 Ghana cedis. How much do you earn in a month that you're going to buy one bag? And if you are talking about casting a foundation, you need about 80 to 100 bags of cement, depending on the size. But it's really crazy, man. It's really crazy. How can an ordinary Ghanaian, young guy coming up, earning about 1,000 to 2,000 Ghana cedis, dream of building a house, like office lifestyle? Yeah, it's crazy. So this is it. This is how far we've come so far. As you can see, the front side is covered on top. They're also covering the pillars at the front, supporting pillars at the front, and the staircase will be next. And then we go for the decking. This is how the house looks now. Is it going to be beauty or a beast? We will see at the end when the bamboos and everything is out. So this is it. It's not been easy. It will never get easy. So the time is now. Yeah, if you'll be postponing and waiting to build your house, yeah, this is the situation. It is not coming down like really back to the normal. I started buying cement this year at 40 Ghana cedis, and now it's like 80 Ghana cedis. When I started with the project, I was buying cement one bag like 30 Ghana cedis, which was just last year. So you can imagine the difference. So it's never too late also. So if you want to do it, just go for it. Don't look at the price. That is the motivation that I'm going with. I know the reason why I'm building the house, and that is the motive, regardless of the prices. That's why you always have to build your lifestyle, build something that you will fall in love with, because at this time, if you're just building a house, it's not a joke. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me till this far, and please don't forget to like the video. That's the only thing I'm asking from you guys. That's the support I want from you, because that motivates me to come back more. So please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next episode.